Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. Now a look at the headlines. 72 Goan players travel in discomfort to Chhattisgarh. Affairs mismanaged. Goa Nehru Yuva Kendra official says got information about under-16 nationals too late. River Princess to burden state treasury with 89 crores. Vessel to be disposed of by February 2012. Government searching alternate place to dump scrap. Vasco restores to normalcy after 2 days of agitation. A delegation led by Chief Minister to meet Union Shipping Minister on 20th April. Goa defeat Tamil Nadu by 9 runs in the South Zone Veterans Cricket Tournament. Devashish Bakshi named Man of the Match and Man of the Tournament. And Salgaonkar Press yields them 3 vital points. Beat Churchill Brothers to increase their lead in the I-League. And now the news in detail. 72 Goan players travelling to Chhattisgarh are faced with a big problem of berth reservation. The players will participate in the Nehru Yuva Kendra tournament starting from Monday. From Mumbai onwards, there were only 6 reserved berths for 72 players. South Goa coordinator of the Nehru Yuva Kendra told Prudent that there is very little that he could do, as he was informed about this tournament only on the 6th of April.
72 students will participate in the Nehru Yuva Kendra Under-16 National Games. They are set to play athletics, basketball, hockey and badminton disciplines. But their journey turned hostile when they had to travel unreserved from Mumbai after spending the night at a waiting room in a station premises. We spoke to one of the students on board.
We were told that our tickets are reserved, but when we reached about 72 two of us are sharing just 3 seats. And even our return journey is supposed to be in that fashion, so it's really tiring. We had to stay at a Bombay waiting room for about the entire day and day.
Okay.
We left at about 9:30 from Karmali railway station and reached Bombay at 10 o'clock in the night.
Okay.
We were at the waiting room and the entire night and morning 6 o'clock for that day.
Okay. You are 72 of your...
We're traveling and we have no seats, just sitting on the floors of the train.
In this situation, quite a few parents are upset with how their children have to travel.
When they return back, how are they going to come in the same way without any this thing? Last I heard my son was saying he did not have a proper breakfast. Obviously they're traveling. He's feeling like vomiting. He doesn't feel like eating. I mean, these are all genuine concerns for us. How are we going to this thing just to survive over there and then play over there? So yes, it is a great concern for us. I hope the authorities concerned look into these matters.
SAG's Executive Director VM Prabhudesai told Prudent that Nehru Yuva Kendra are organizing this tournament and NYK are responsible for booking the tickets.
For him to, he had taken, even though he had taken tickets under Tatkal,
Yeah.
these tickets were, no reservation was not available. They tried, they couldn't do it.
Okay.
So teams had to go because otherwise the team was not. If the team was not sad, the parents would have said the team were not sad. So he tried. Even now also he is trying.
South Goa coordinator of the Nehru Yuva Kendra, Shirish Lavande, told Prudent that he was intimated about the tournament on the 6th of April and immediately set out to book the tickets. But getting confirmed seats at peak season time is near impossible, and so he had to resort to Tatkal, which can be booked only 2 days prior to the journey.
ही इंटिमेशन जे आसा ते जर बरे एडवांसान पावत तर सगळी व्यवस्था करूंक जाता कित्याक हे स्पेशल कोटा म्हणजे हांगच्या स्पोर्ट्समॅना खातीर जेन्ना खंय इंटरनॅशनलाक नॅशनलाक वतात बी त्या स्पेशल कोटा हांकां दवरूंक ना आमकां जनरल कोटानूच तांचे तिकेटी घेवचे पडटात हो स्पेशल कोटा गव्हर्मेंटाक करूंकूच जाय रेल्वे मिनिस्ट्री कडल्यान खंयच्यानूय हे करून तांणी करपाक जाय कित्याक ह्यो सगळे जे टोर्नामेंट मोस्ट ऑफ द जे टोर्नामेंट्स असतात ते लास्ट मिनटाक तयार जातात आणि लास्ट मिनटाक धाडचे पडटा पळय तेन्ना खंय ना जाल्यार खंय ह्यो कांय तांकां रिजर्वेशन बी उरतात
Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira from Panji.
Abandoned vessel River Princess is burdening the state exchequer much more than a princess. The removal of this vessel will cost the state treasury a net worth 89 crore rupees. Moreover, it will be completely shifted from Shikari coast only after the monsoon, likely by February 2012. That the tourism department is searching for an alternate site to dump the scrap after a stiff opposition from the locals from Ritona.
The work of cutting and shifting of River Princess started in March. Government will suffer a loss of around rupees 89 crores to cut, shift and dispose this huge vessel. Arihan tender cost 99 crore, custom duty 4 crores, minimum value of scrap 14 crores. Total government's loss is 89 crores. Government also had planned that this vessel will be removed within 180 days, that is before monsoon, but the work is delayed. Director of Tourism Swapnil Naik says the job will be completed only after monsoon.
As per the tender, the time for cutting was 180 days, that's 6 months. Because of various approvals, the काम start जावपाक delay जालो. So it won't get completed before this rainy season, but by January or February of next year, it will get over totally. In the initial stage, I think almost around 40% of the work is done. At least on the visible portion, you can see about 60 to 70% of the visible portion has been cut, including the accommodation, the chimneys, the front part is almost gone. But now what is remaining is the major basic part is the part which is below the water line.
The shifting and dumping of scrap of this vessel faced lot of agitation by people in Bitona. Naik informed us that they are also looking out for alternate places for dumping the scrap.
The main objection of the people was to the cutting of the scrap because that was giving some sort of fumes, and the Honorable CM had given an assurance that the cutting will not take place there, but I don't think the people have any objection for storing it there. Anyway, we are also looking at other alternate sites. If possible, we will try to move.
Our senior reporter Rakesh Kanolkar with video journalist Anil Sanadi.
Assembly elections are approaching and the political parties have started gearing up. Congress is now eyeing tourist taxi operators to campaign for their MLA in Kalangut. Chief Minister Digambar Kamath has appealed tourist taxi operators to campaign for Agnel. Watch this report on the campaign strategy for the upcoming assembly poll. North Goa tourist taxi operators meeting on Sunday was attended by Chief Minister Digambar Kamath, Kalangut MLA Agnel Fernandes and members of association. This association has over 1,500 members in 6 talukas. Transport Department last year had planned to raise the permit fees for tourist taxi operators. Government was also planning to stop permits for 800cc cars. Due to objections from this association, state government withdrew both these proposals. Kalangut MLA Agnel Fernandes along with the BJP MLAs had supported taxi operators' demand to retain 800cc permits for their cars. On Sunday, association handed over some more demands to Chief Minister Kamath. During the meeting, Agnel Fernandes and Chief Minister Kamath lauded the work of tourist taxi operators. But Chief Minister Digambar Kamath has something more to say. Watch this.
म्हणजे इष्ट म्हणजे कोणतं झालं जणू काय आम्ही वळलं की नाही हे केल्या पाहिजे गुन्हा केल्या पाहिजे पण त्या वेळाचेर म्हणजे फाटल्यान कोण ठामपणे रावले जायत जाल्यार टॅक्सी ड्रायव्हर टॅक्सी ऑपरेटर मोटरसायकल पायलट रिक्षावाले हे सारखे माझ्या वाट्यान रावले कारण हांव सदांच म्हज्या दार पेंडा उबे आसता ते सदांच केन्नाय खंयच्याय टायमार कितें जालें म्हजे कडेन येवन काम करून व्हरतात हांव तांकां सदांच सपोर्ट करता तांणी मिटिंगे घेतल्यो आनी तांणी म्हाका सांगलें तूं कांय दिनाका आमी प्रोपागंडा करता आनी तांणी खरो प्रोपागंडा केलो टॅक्सीत बशिल्ल्या मनशाक सांगताले की मडगांव फक्त दिगंबर कामत मोटरसायकल पायलटाच्या फाटल्यान कोण बसलो कोणी वता आसले विचारता अरे मडगांव कितें म्हणटा तो म्हणटा कांय ना मडगांव आनी कांय ना कितेंय ना मडगांव दिगंबर कामत ह्या पद्धतीचो प्रचार तुमी आग्नेलाच्या इलेक्शनाक फुडले खेपे करचो कारण आग्नेल सदांच तुमच्या वाटेर रावलो.
North Goa Tourist Taxi Owners Association says they will support the candidates who will back their demands. Association wants relaxation in the education qualification and dress code for taxi drivers. But No doubt, Congress also looks to be gearing up for upcoming assembly polls. A senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kandulkar, with video journalist Shan. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.